Hello everyone, I am Preetham, partner engineer at Google Cloud. Today, I will be joined by Mr. Bharat Yaragatti as well as industry expert Mr. Mukesh Jain, who will be helping us understand how Nevius team has been helping our customers in the digital transformation journey. With this, I would like to call Mr. Mukesh Jain to help us understand what are the key challenges the BFSI customers are undergoing.
If you look at current business scenario, it's not only challenging, it is also changing. Customers are changing, their profiles are changing. Organizations which are providing services to these customers, boundaries are falling, and they have to provide service to customer anywhere, anytime, anywhere in the world, as I mentioned, and also anytime. Because for Indian financial institution, a lot of NRI customers also deal with them. If you look at the space in which the technology is operating, most of these financial institutions, namely banks, life insurance, general insurance, mutual funds, etc., are having one or more core systems on which their entire transaction processing takes place. Over the years, what they have done is they have built a plethora of allied systems to support the core systems. They are on a monolithic and legacy architecture, and their architecture needs a change. And they need to adopt latest technologies which have adoption of cloud as also microservices, so that monolithic architecture is no longer there and they are able to service customers. This would also help them to introduce new products, new services without bringing down the system. And that is going to be the key in the future, because everything today is connected to each other. Banks are required to connect to e-commerce companies, banks are required to connect to railways, airline companies as payment gateway, and also they are required to talk to government agencies for tax collection, etc. And customer may be doing the transaction from any channel, be it via mobile or be it a desktop, or they may come to a branch. And so the architecture has to allow them to provide a single view of the customer, as also provide facilities which they can adopt from anywhere. And for this, it is necessary that ability to integrate in a very flexible and scalable way is available with the organizations. And that is where comes the need for a middleware, like a gateway, a middleware gateway or API gateway, which allows them to integrate with external systems as also with other internal systems and provide the services in a seamless and flexible manner. In addition to customer onboarding, let's look at the customer life cycle. Customer may have start with one product, but you need to sell them more products. You should be capable of knowing the profiles of the customer. You should be able to segment the customers. And here comes the role of analytics. Are organizations using BigQuery? Are they using artificial intelligence and machine learning to know more about the customer, to know about the profile of the customer, to know about the preference of the customers, and pitch the right products and the right advice at the right time? That would increase the confidence of the customer and allow them to interact and transact with the organization in a much, much better way. In addition to that, we are going to be in a flexible and hybrid methodology. Today, if we see Indian organization, they have not adopted cloud to the extent new startups and fintechs have adopted. And these organizations will have to have a hybrid system in which they have on-premise setup to some extent, so long as they are not comfortable, and also additional new services coming from cloud providers. And they need to have a security which encompasses all this. There are so many software as a service provider. They would provide service from where they are set up. So it is going to be a complex and hybrid methodology, and one would need to have a very good risk management, as also ability to look at all logs, transactions, and be able to give a secure environment to various customers. These are some of the challenges which I feel today we can discuss, and I have tried to summarize them in the above discussion. Thanks, Preetham. Thanks for the question.
Thank you, Mr. Mukesh. That was quite an amazing insight. With this, I would now like to call Mr. Bharat Yaragatti to highlight how Nevius team has been helping our customers to solve most challenging requirements in the BFSI segment.
Thanks, Preetham, and thanks, Mukesh, sir, for highlighting these challenges, right? So, like you rightly called out, application modernization is the key for the banks to leverage what the best the cloud public cloud has to offer so that they can boost their businesses and also help their customers, right? Predominantly, we are dealing with banks which have their core banking systems hosted on premises, right? So they do use a lot of APIs, but how can we leverage these APIs and build modern systems, or how can we modernize these legacy applications which predominantly follow a monolithic based approach, right? Using microservices, hosting them on containers, bringing in Kubernetes to do the whole orchestration piece. So we're talking about migrating and modernizing it, which we term as rebuild and modernize, right? So basically we convert them and then host them on cloud so that they can offer, leverage whatever the best public cloud has to kind of, offer, right? Modernization is also about building these, the features or the products and taking them faster to the market. Here is where the whole modernization of the CI/CD pipeline, the DevOps and the DevSecOps comes into picture, right? So we've been helping our clients set up these, CI/CD pipelines and help them automate their whole, development as well as deployment processes, right? And once you have your workloads hosted on cloud, they can scale dynamically, right? You can build anytime and deploy anywhere, right? You can even leverage, the high availability that the public clouds offer. Like Mukesh sir mentioned, you would never get a mail saying, Google is down or something, right? So this is what we term as the application modernization piece. Another main pillar of application modernization is the API management gateway. APIs are pretty much, kind of changed the way we look at things and, we operate things in today's world, right? Anything that we operate and do from our mobile devices is possible because of the usage of APIs. Now, how can banks or the BFSI industries use their APIs to collaborate better within their business units and also partner with the fintechs to provide better services to their customers, right? How can they design, develop, secure, scale, monitor, analyze, as well as monetize their API? This is possible using, tools like, or a platform like Apigee, where they're able to do all these things and then securely, collaborate better with their partners and their vendors, right? Frictionless onboarding systems. Because of the whole modernizations, we are now able to build where we can leverage Vision API to scan, let's say, a PAN card or Aadhaar card, collect all the information on them, validate it with the NSDL APIs, and then have your accounts ready in flat 4 to 5 minutes, which are available for transacting, right? With the ruling of RBI, which came in last year during the pandemic, video KYC has been made legal. So we're able to do perform the video KYC piece as a part of the onboarding journey, and at the end of it, in 5-6 minutes, you have a completely operational account which you can start transacting right from the word go, right? And also the customer servicing has changed. Nobody wants to visit a branch to, let's say, order a checkbook, or for that matter, even apply for a new loan, or even change their phone number for that matter, right? So all this is possible where, with using the technologies like chatbots, which is Dialogflow, or a virtual assistant, where you can give a command on what you want to achieve, and with the validation of your credentials, these operations can be performed in the backend using your own devices, right? And there's enormous amount of data available, like Mukesh mentioned. How can we, collect, transform, analyze, and visualize this data in real time to give you the right set of, data being available, made for the sales team or your leadership team to make strategic decisions right on the go, right? Prescriptive and predictive, analytics is possible with tools like BigQuery and Looker, where you can take real insights and then convert them into a, meaningful sales cycle, take the right set of products to the right person at the right time, right? It's all about empowering the sales team as well, right? Currently, the data is available in multi-folds in different applications, whether it's CRM, whether it's a lending application, or whether it's a deposits application. How can all this information about prospects be made available to the Salesforce at one single platform? This is all possible with building these aggregator platforms and using the API management gateway. Right, they're able to even make calls from their systems, collaborate with the communication and system services which the banks have to offer, and manage the end-to-end life cycle of a sales using aggregator platforms. And then, of course, there is the whole security myth, right? Like, there are a lot of regulations with, customer data or any kind of sensitive information being hosted on cloud, right? So we take care of, adhering to all the governance and the compliance. Google Cloud in itself is compliant to a lot of regulations, put together by the regulating authority, that's the RBI. So we build these compliant applications so that your data is secure there, right? So, and the entire security around the application, that's the application layer, the network layer, the data layer, right? The infrastructure layer is completely taken care by using tools like, Cloud Identity Access Management, Cloud Armor, Cloud Varsity, right? And then data is taken care both at rest as well as at transit, right? So end-to-end data is encrypted, and you wouldn't have to, worry about any kind of data leaks or any kind of a fraud that could happen here, right? And then we have a very strong monitoring layer using tools like Stackdriver, Command Center, and Fortitude. So we are able to provide the end-to-end security solution to our customers that are the BFSI industries, so that they can boost their business and give a more meaningful services in a very secure manner to their customers and clients. So, thank you.
Thank you, Bharat, for highlighting how Nevius Cloud has been helping our customers in their digital transformation journey. And let me summarize how Google Cloud brings out our differentiators for our customers in BFSI segment. And let me start with best-in-class security. With Google Cloud, security is by default. It's no longer a choice. And whether the data in transit or data at rest, we use encryption keys. And one such key differentiator Google Clouds has been helping our customers, especially for the BFSI customers, is the private network backbone. As a result, the data, once it enters Google Cloud, it is least exposed to the public internet and makes it less vulnerable. And talking about multi-cloud and the flexibility and the choice, Google Cloud has been helping our customers to meet them wherever they are and whatever the flexible model they're looking out, whether they're looking out for hybrid model or might be looking out for the multi-cloud approach. And with Anthos, which is our flagship product, we are not only helping our customers to modernize the legacy apps, as well as providing them a consistent, seamless experience, managing the workload wherever they run. And talking about AI ML, sky is the limit with Google Cloud. I would like to call one such solution Contact Center AI, which has been helping our customers not only improve their customer experience, as well as reducing the cost and making their end customers journey a seamless, happy customers. And with this, I would like to thank our Nevius team, who has been leveraging our Google Cloud platform to solve most challenging needs in the BFSI segment. Thank you.